Hello everyone, I am Lavi Sengar, a Flutter developer and tutor at Dectac. Today, I am going to take you to the learning journey that we have designed, a complete 12-week roadmap to become a Flutter developer with AI integration. Each module is designed to make you learn from the first step to making the widgets to the final testing and the deployment of application on the Play Store and App Store. So, let's get started with the first module, that is Flutter Foundations. In this module, you will be learning about how you can set up the Flutter SDK code and also the Visual Studio. Also, you will be learning about how you can learn the Dart basics and how you can structure the projects using the clean architecture. Also, you will be covering with the fundamental UI blocks like stateful widgets, creating simple interfaces, AppBar, scaffolds and buttons. In this module, you will be learning about Flutter UI and navigations like forms, routes navigation and the different kind of widgets like column, row, stack and ListView. In this module, you will be learning about how you can integrate the APIs in your application. Also, you will be learning about the parsing of the JSON data into the Dart model. You will be making the REST API calls get, post, put and delete. In this module, you will be learning about how you can store your application's data into the device. That means in a local storage. You will be using the SQFlight and Hive packages. SQFlight uses the SQL queries and Hive uses the NoSQL database and its queries. In this module, you will be learning about Git and GitHub basics. Also, you will be learning about how you can deploy your code onto the Git using the different commands of the Git like add, commit, pull, push and the merging of the code. Also, you will be learning how you can branch and merge the code onto the Git and push your code to the final deployment of the application. In this module, you will be learning about how you can manage the different states of the application using the different packages and using the set state. Packages like provider and the river pod will be used to manage the different state of applications. In this module, you will be learning about Firebase basics like how you can authenticate your application using the Google, Apple, Facebook and different kind of other providers. Also, you will be learning how you can manage your application's data onto the cloud storage. Also, you can use the real-time NoSQL database of the Firebase itself. In this module, you will be learning about animations and custom widgets. Like you will be using the hero animations, tune animation, animated container and different kind of animations. Also, you will be learning about how you can reuse the widgets to make your application more scalable. In this module, you will be learning about how you can use your OpenAPI and ChatGPT in your application. You will be using the OpenAPIs to the text generation in the application itself. Also, you will be learning the prompt engineering basics. In this module, you will be learning how you can generate the images through AI and deploy in your application. Also, you will be learning to handle the image data using the base64. In this module, you will be learning about how you can convert your speech into the text and integrate in your application. Also, you will be learning how you can capture the audio for the transcription and other specific components that we need to use. In this module, you will be learning about testing and the final deployment of the application. You will be using the error handlings, try-catch blocks and also you will be deploying your application onto the App Store and the Play Store. We will be learning this whole course in the 3 phases. That means first phase will be included about how you can handle the screens, navigate the screens, connect to the APIs and also how you can store the data locally. In the second phase, you will be learning about the Firebase integration and the custom animations and the reusable widgets. In the third phase, you will be learning about how you can integrate the AI into your application, that is image generation, text and speech to text. Also, you will be learning how you can deploy the application to the App Store and the Play Store. If you want to learn Flutter development, you can feel free to reach out to us directly. Thank you.